So the most important thing is to try to get these to work, because this was basically not working. So this is Python Py for this to work. Double opening. The shapes are not working. So we're trying to replicate these. So we're trying to replicate the whole thing with the shapes and whatnot, right? So we've got the input size, the hidden size, and the output size. And similarly in the forward pass, the div. That's what we're doing. That doesn't. The backward pass is what doesn't seem to work. Essentially, we have this div, sort of the differential, right? So what is happening here is I can close this. Yeah, what is happening here? Oh no, actually that's much better. What is happening here is that we've got the calculating the probabilities, and then there's some reshaping going on, and then what we're doing. And then what we're doing, give me a second. Okay. And what? So we're doing some sort of dot. So this is working right here, and it's the first thing that is not working here. So we're doing a reshape of these, obviously. Z2 and A1T. But that's the thing, because A1 is just. This is something that I'm not so sure if I'm doing this correctly, right? I don't. Is it normal that you have to reshape things like this? Is it normal you have to reshape things like this versus just using the transpose of an array? Because if I do this like that, that's what's happening here, right? So shape 1, 1. Is this what's happening here? So if I do this work, then if I do this, does this work? Shape the two things, right? So if I do the two things, then it works probably. If I do, this is what I don't understand. Because then we have the ones in between the one dimension. So Ken go trying to help me here. So what is the difference in NumPy between a shape of this shape of Let's do a one-dimensional array. A vector has 3 elements. On the other hand, the shape of 3 organisms is a 2D array. It's a column. It has 3 rows and 1 column. Okay. So, and what about between these and these? One-dimensional array, 1 row and 3 columns. So, and okay, 2 numbers for indexing 0, 0. Okay. So you really need that specific because, well, I guess essentially, isn't then just better if these things are just given input size? You know, if we're giving explicitly things like size 1, you know what I mean? So this is okay. I think that's probably what you want to do. I think that is gonna solve all our how we can just transpose. Yes. I guess that just it's a matter of, yeah, that's just a low level issue. So okay, so this p0 and the random choice output size. Because then I need to address these properly. I think that is for sure something. Does this work now? Should work now. Should work now. Hopefully it does work. No. Probably the issue because we're giving it a, yeah, we're giving it a shape. Oh, okay, so 1 doesn't need to be transposed, and now it's going to work out, and we got it. Cool, perfect. It worked well. So this is, I think that's definitely something I can easily fix here. But you see that's good. So we need to kind of, yeah, that you need to be explicit with this kind of stuff. Otherwise the dot products and the t's don't easily work. Okay, fair enough. Be with these. So we're just basically saying Z1 A1, and then we're doing this thing here, and then DW2. Yeah, so we're basically, it's correct, and we want to print tensors. Okay, but we're still missing so backward pass, so we just did that first part. But I gotta move on to something else right now. Bye bye. At least I got this small one to work, and then the next thing is finish the backward pass and then try to visualize what's going on here. Well,